Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Multi-Modal Generative AI, when AI creates across text, images, and sound. Imagine AI not just understanding or predicting things, like telling a dog from a cat, or recommending a movie, but actually making brand new stuff. This is generative AI. Think of it like a digital artist, writer, or composer. It generates text, images, music, and more, often from a simple prompt you give it. It's like having a creative assistant that never sleeps. In the world of AI, a modality just means a specific type of information or data. For example, text is one modality, images are another, and sound is a third. Historically, AI models were specialists. One AI would be great at understanding and generating text, like ChatGPT, and a completely different one would be great at images, like DALL-E. They didn't really talk to each other or understand different types of data simultaneously. It was like having a fantastic poet who couldn't paint, and a brilliant painter who couldn't write. Multimodal simply means many types or many senses. Just like humans use our eyes, sight, ears, sound, and touch to understand the world around us, multimodal AI models are designed to process and understand multiple types of data at the same time. Instead of separate specialists, think of it as an AI that can see, read, and hear all at once. This allows the AI to develop a much richer, more human-like understanding of information. Now, let's combine generative AI, AI that creates, with multimodal AI, AI that understands many types of data. This powerful combination gives us multimodal generative AI. It's AI that can create across different types of data. For example, text to image. Describe a cat wearing a spacesuit riding a skateboard in a neon city, and it creates the picture. Image to text. Show it a picture, and it describes what's happening. A cat in a spacesuit rides a skateboard. Text to sound. Describe a gentle forest breeze with birds chirping, and it generates the soothing sound. Image to sound. Show it a video of a busy street, and it generates the appropriate background noise. Cross-modal, even more complex, like taking an image and generating a unique story about the image. For a developer, you don't need to know every mathematical detail, but it helps to grasp the core concept. Imagine the AI has learned a universal language or a shared understanding for all these different types of data, modalities. When you give it text, a red sports car, it translates that into its universal language. Then, if you ask for an image, it uses that universal language to draw the red sports car. If you ask for a sound, e.g., the car accelerating, it uses the same core understanding to compose the sound. These models are trained on massive amounts of diverse data, like millions of text-image pairs or video-audio pairs. So they learn how these different senses relate to each other. As a developer, you interact with this universal brain through simple text prompts or API calls. This isn't just a cool trick. It's a powerful tool for building amazing things. Content creation. Automatically generate unique images for blog posts, social media, or marketing campaigns from simple text descriptions. Game development. Quickly create textures, concept art, or ambient sound effects for game levels based on textual prompts. Accessibility tools. Describe images for visually impaired users, or convert spoken language into visual captions for hearing impaired. Personalized experiences. Generate unique stories, character designs, or music snippets tailored to individual user preferences. Prototyping. Rapidly visualize ideas or generate mock-ups for products or interfaces. As a developer, you'll be integrating these AI models into your applications to unlock new creative possibilities. For your users, as a developer, you'll interact with these powerful multimodal generative AI models primarily through their application programming interfaces, APIs. Think of an API as a menu of functions you can call to ask the AI to do something. Your main job will often be prompt engineering, learning how to craft clear, specific, and creative instructions, prompts, to get the best possible output from the AI. You'll also learn to integrate these AI services into your applications, allowing your users to harness their multimodal creative power. It's less about building the AI from scratch and more about becoming an architect of its output and a master of its integration. Multimodal generative AI is just beginning. Imagine AI-powered virtual assistants that can not only understand your spoken commands but also see your environment through a camera, understand your emotions, and then create visual or auditory responses. This technology blurs the lines between creativity and code, opening up a universe of possibilities for developers to build applications that truly understand and interact with the world in a human-like, multi-sensory way. Get ready to create the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.